So we just finished reading the poem, My 100 Birthday Emails, that we changed to 100 Valentine's Day emails for Valentine's Day. And as we were reading the poem, we decided that we were going to figure out the answer to this question. What number is lots? Because in the poem it says lots. But it doesn't tell us how many lots is. So somebody in here had an idea. What tool did you decide to use to figure this out? What tool did you choose to use?
Well, my strategy was that you could count all of them up. So go 9 plus 1 plus 6, and then plus 45, and then count the rest that's there, and that's the number of lots that there is. That's
right. And when you chose to use that, who can tell me what tool they chose to use to do that? Because that was a great strategy. What tool did we choose to use?
A hundreds chart.
Okay, so we used our hundreds chart and we did exactly that. Now the only thing is, we added in a number because somebody figured out a problem. What problem did you figure out? So what did we choose to do to come up with a solution? What did we decide to do?
We decided to put down how many people are in our class.
Which is how many?
22.
Okay, so we used all that information and we entered it into this hundreds chart here, and this is what we've got. When we added everything up, what number did we get to?
84.
So, who can use that information to tell me how many is the lots?
16.
Okay, and how did you get 16?
Because I know that one row is 10.
Okay.
And then I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
So, and then 10 plus 6 equals 16.
Thank you. Who else had another way of figuring it out? What did you get as your answer? And how did you get 16?
I counted 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 15, 16.
Okay. Can you count that again and let's see if we can figure it out?
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16.
And what did you get as your answer? 16. Who else can explain to me how they got their answer? What answer did you get?
I got 16.
Okay.
I know that there's 5 here and 5 here, so I counted by 5.
Okay.
5, 10, 15, 16.
So after you counted by 5s, then what did you do?
I just added one more.
Okay. Who else can explain for me what answer they got and how they got it? What answer did you get?
I got 16.
Okay, and how did you get it?
I counted it by tens.
Okay.
10.
Yes.
Then I saw these ones were covered up.
Okay.
So then I counted it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I remembered 10 plus 6 makes 16.
Okay, so that was a very similar strategy to the first one that was discussed. Who else has a different strategy? What did you get as your answer?
I got 16 because I knew that a whole row was 10.
Yes.
And then 5 plus 5 is 10, but 4 were off, so it was 6. And 6 plus 10 equals 16.
Oh, thank you for that explanation. So what answer did all of us get?
16.
So lots was 16, but do we all figure it out the same way? No. So now we know how many are lots. Will a class that has a different number of students get the same answer? Why not? So instead of 22 students, if they had 20 students, why will they not get the same answer?
Because they would have to turn back 1.
Okay.
That, because they only would have, they would have to count 20 here.
Okay.
So
Instead of how many did we count?
22.
Okay, so they wouldn't be turning over quite as many as us. Okay, and so then they might get a different answer. So let's hope the kids in that class had 22. What do you think? Should we wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day?
Happy